In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use a Sealey Ultrasonic Cleaner. Ultrasonic cleaners are perfect for cleaning metal tools, mechanical parts, jewellery and more. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE. Place the cleaner on a flat, clean surface where the cooling fans can receive adequate ventilation. Make sure the drain tap is closed. Dilute your ultrasonic cleaning fluid as required. We recommend 1 to 50 and 1 to 100 parts water. Carefully fill 2/3 of the tank with your cleaning solution. Do not exceed the fill line. Plug the cleaner onto a grounded power supply and turn it on. The display will show the current solution temperature. Press heating to start or stop the heating process. Press temp plus or temp minus to set the temperature. To get the best cleaning result, the solution's temperature should be between 40 to 60 degrees centigrade. Before starting, we recommend degassing the solution. Simply set your cleaning time using the time plus or time minus buttons and press degas. The cycle will then remove any excess gas in the solution for more effective cleaning. Once finished, place the items to be cleaned in the mesh basket and gently lower them into the tank. Set your cleaning time using the timer for a maximum of 30 minutes. Once your time is set, select the cleaning mode. Normal mode delivers full ultrasonic power, and soft mode is best for delicate items. The cleaning process will then begin, and a countdown timer will be displayed. Ultrasonic cleaning uses high-frequency sound waves to create microscopic bubbles in the cleaning solution. These bubbles collapse rapidly, producing a scrubbing action called cavitation, removing dirt, oil and contaminants without damaging items. When the cycle is complete, the machine will automatically shut off. Press heating to turn off the heater and switch the machine off. Use caution when removing items as the fluid may still be hot. After removing the items from the tank, inspect them closely. Look for any remaining debris in fine crevices and repeat the cleaning cycle if needed. Allow the item to fully dry before use. The dirty solution can be then removed from the machine using the drain tap and disposed of accordingly.